In order to prepare you for our next activity where you're going to be talking to your partner and sharing your ideas and sentences, I want to do a quick review of pronunciation of these past tense forms because pronunciation, of course, is a very important part of communication. So let's look at some examples. Okay, I'm gonna pronounce the verbs on this side, and I want you to listen carefully, and I want you to notice that there's really not that much difference between the base form on this side and the past tense form on the right hand side. You'll hear a little t or d, but not too much else, so listen carefully. Ask, asked. Use, used. Stop, stopped. Miss, missed. Call, called. Travel, traveled. Live, lived. Cook, cooked. Iron, ironed. Finish, finished. Mix, mixed. Punch, punched. All right, let's look at this group of verbs. And you'll notice there's something special about these verbs. They have two things in common. So again, I'm going to pronounce the base form and then the past tense form. And I hope you'll notice that there's a bigger difference here between the two. So let's listen. Need, needed. Want, wanted. Rent, rented. Decide, decided. Visit, visited. Start, started. Fold, folded. Point, pointed. Crowd, crowded. Part, parted. Hand, handed. Paint, painted. Okay, hopefully when you were listening to the verbs on this side, you noticed a bigger difference between the base form and the simple past form. So I want you to turn to your neighbor and I want you to talk to your neighbor. How is this group different from this group? And that's going to be the key to good pronunciation when you're talking about past tense forms. Before we continue with our next activity regarding American colonial life, I want to pause and take a moment to review the pronunciation of the simple past for regular verbs. Because as we all know, pronunciation is a very important part of communication. So let's take a look at these two groups of regular verbs, and I'm going to pronounce the verbs on this side, both the base form and the simple past form, and I want you to notice how much difference there is between the two. And I think you're going to see, or rather hear, that there's just a very little difference between the two. So, first one, ask, asked. Use, used. Stop, stopped. Miss, missed. Call, called. Travel, traveled. Live, lived. Cook, cooked. Iron, ironed. Finish, finished. Mix, mixed. Punch, punched. All right, now compare that to this group of verbs, and I think you'll notice that the difference between the base form and the simple past is much greater. Let's listen. decided, want, wanted, rent, rented, decide, decided, visit, visited, start, started, fold, folded, point, pointed, crowd, crowded, part, parted, hand, handed, paint, painted. So hopefully you were able to hear a little more of a pronunciation emphasis on the second syllable that was added with the ed. So I want you to turn to your partner and I want you to talk about what makes the difference between this group of verbs and this group of verbs. What's special about this group that causes the pronunciation to be a little